We are continuing with the similarity of triangles. Here, the question is, in the given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram and E is a point on BC and diagonal BD intersects AE at point F, right? And we have to prove that DF into FE is equal to FB into FA. Okay. So now we need to select two triangles so that we can make them similar and then their corresponding sides will be proportional. Okay. So which two triangles will I take? If I choose AFD and FBE, these two triangles, they will be similar, but I have to be careful. See, this angle is equal to this angle. So F, then this angle will be equal to this angle, alternate angles, because DC is parallel to AB, right? So let me choose the triangles. So we will take in triangle AFD and then EFB, right? Because D goes with B and F is in the middle. So, and E and triangle EFB. Okay. Tell me now which two angles are equal. Angle AFD is equal to angle EFB. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles, right? Also angle FDA is equal to angle FBE. We discussed that these are alternate angles. Why? Because DC is parallel to AB. Therefore, you can say that triangle AFD is similar to triangle EFB by AA axiom. So when the two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So we can set the proportionality between these two triangles. So AF upon EF is equal to FD upon FB is equal to AD upon EB. Right? Okay, let me see which one we have to take. We want DF. Where is DF? Okay, this we will take. We want FB. Okay, that is the same one. We want FA. That means first two we will take. So we will take AF upon EF is equal to FD upon FB. Now if I cross multiply, I will get FB into FA is equal to EF into FD. FB into FA is equal to EF into FD. That's what I had to prove. Right? Okay. Now, the next one. In the next question, he's saying that there is a figure given to us which is not drawn to the scale. Here, PS is given 4 centimeters. SR is given 2 centimeters. PT is 3 centimeters. QT is 5 centimeters. He wants us to show that triangle PQR is similar to triangle PST. Okay. After that, he wants us to calculate ST. And he has also given the measure of QR as 5.8. Right? Okay. Now, since there are no angles given of these two triangles which are equal to each other, now there is only one way left for us to use SAS. To verify whether these triangles are similar, we will use SAS property. So what is SAS property saying? It's saying that, see, this angle is common between triangle PQR and PST, that is given. Now if the ratio between their sides is also same, in which the angle is contained, then we can say the triangles are similar, right? We can prove the two triangles similar by SAS rule. Fine. So what will I do? I will write in triangles PQR and PST, angle P is equal to angle P, right? That is common between the two. Now, let me check whether PQ upon PS is equal to PQ upon PS is equal to QR upon ST, right? That's how we set the proportionality. PQ upon PS. If it is equal to QR upon ST, then the two triangles are similar by SAS similarity rule. Okay, let's check this. Let's substitute the values. What is my PQ? PQ is given, PT and QT is given. So PQ is 5 plus 3, that is 8. PS, how much is my PS? 4. Okay. So 4 twos are. So I got PQ upon PS as 2. Let me check whether QR and ST is also coming to. Okay. What is QR? QR is 5.8. ST, what is ST? Okay. So there is one more equality which we can set here. PR upon PT, right? PR upon PT. Here we can't take this because ST is not given. So I will not take this. I will check for PR by PT. It should also come as 2. Let me check what is PR by PT. What is my PR? 4 plus 2 is 6. And what is my PT? 3. So 3 twos are. I got PQ upon PS equal to PR upon PT, and I have also got this angle P equal to angle P. Therefore, I can say that triangle PQR is similar to triangle PST. That's what he wanted me to do, right? Now, the next question is calculate ST. Now, for that, we will take this part along with any of the parts because now we know that this is 2. So, let's take QR upon ST is equal to either PQ upon PS or PR upon PT. PR upon PT we have calculated 2. In fact, PQ upon PS is also 2. So, let us put it equal to 2. QR is given 5.8. ST we have to calculate is equal to 2. So, ST is equal to 5.8 divided by 2. So, my ST is equal to 2 twos are 0.9 centimeters. Right? So, what is my ST? It is 2.9 centimeters.